Hi, this is Anjaneyulu, Physics faculty. Welcome to Narayana online classes. Today we are going to discuss 7th class physics. The topic is velocity and its types. So, seriously, one point keep in your mind, speed and velocity both are not same. So here speed is nothing but the distance traveled by a body per unit time. So there is no need of any direction consideration. But velocity means the displacement of a body per unit time is called velocity. So here displacement is a vector quantity. So it having magnitude and specific direction also. That's why velocity is also a vector quantity. So, but one point, when a body moving in a straight line, speed equal to velocity. But in all other cases, so speed will be greater than velocity only. So here speed is a scalar quantity, velocity is a vector quantity. So that is the difference between speed and velocity. So and while representation also, so here speed we represented by v. There is no problem. V we can use, but velocity we can represent v with this arrow mark. What is this means? V is nothing but speed in specific direction. Then this is called as a velocity. Okay, now today we are going to discuss problems based upon velocity and its types. The first bit is the speed of a body in a specific direction is called the speed of a body in a specific direction. In a specific direction is called dash, is called velocity. Second option, average speed, average speed. Third option, acceleration, acceleration. Fourth one, displacement. Fourth one, displacement. So in this, the speed of a body. So speed of a body means distance by time taken. Okay. The speed of a body in a specific direction. So speed is v, specific direction is arrow mark. So v with arrow mark. So what I said previously, this is called velocity. So that's why the answer for this one is first option is correct. But here average speed means the total distance by total time taken. Acceleration means the change in velocity of a body per unit time. Displacement, simply the shortest path between initial point to final point. So these are the other three quantities, but according to our concept, speed of a body in a specific direction is velocity. So first option is correct. Next, second one. A man travels 100 kilometer. A man travels 100 kilometers in east in 10 minutes. In 10 minutes. And return back, reach to same point. Return back, reach to same point, reach to same point in 15 minutes. In 15 minutes. Then find the average velocity. Then find average velocity. So first option is 2 meter per second. Second option is 4 kilometer per hour. Third option is 0. Fourth option is 3 kilometer per hour. Okay. So once see the solution. A man travels 100 kilometer in east. So these are the directions representation: east direction, west direction, north direction, south direction. So in this east direction, that means this is the starting point. If you consider A, the man travels along east direction, reach to point B, the distance is 100 kilometer. So in 10 minutes, so the time taken is 10 minutes. Return back, reach to same point. Again he travelled 100 kilometer, reach to same point. If he reached to same point, then the total displacement is 0. Because a person reached to same point, there is no gap between initial point to final point. So the shortest path between initial point to final point is displacement, but this is the initial point and this is the final point. That's why the total displacement is 0. Now V average. So what is the formula? V average equal to total displacement by total time taken. Total time taken. So here total displacement value is 0. Total time taken is 10 minutes and 15 minutes. So 25 minutes. So now here 0 by 25 minutes. So the answer is 0 only. So we arrow mark, that means average velocity value 0. So that's why third option is correct. Next, third problem. A body starts from rest. A body starts from rest and acquires a velocity of 20 meter per second in 10 seconds. Then find average velocity. First option is 20 meter per second. Second option is 10 meter per second. Third option is 15 meter per second. Fourth option is 12 meter per second. Okay. So one C problem, a body starts from rest. So a body starts from rest. For example, body started at A. So its initial velocity u equal to 0 and acquires a velocity of 20 meter per second in 10 seconds. So while the body traveling, so reach to a point B, it acquires a velocity 20 meter per second in 10 seconds. They are asking here, then find average velocity. So here V average equal to U plus V by 2. Because in this problem initial and final velocity is given. But average velocity, another formula is total displacement by total time taken. So in this no displacement value is given. So that's why the another average velocity formula is u plus v by 2. U value 0 plus v value 20 by 2. So 20 by 2. So our answer is 10 meter per second. So average velocity formula, average velocity here the answer is 10 meter per second. So second option is correct. Next, fourth problem. If the distance between the sun and the earth is, if the distance between the sun and the earth is 1.5 into 10 power 11 meter, and velocity of light is, and velocity of light is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Then the time taken by a light ray, then the time taken by a light ray to reaches the earth surface from the sun is, first option 500 seconds, second option 50 seconds, third option 500 minutes, fourth option 5000 seconds. So what is the solution? So here if the distance between the sun and the earth is, so here this is a sun, so the light rays are coming reach to the earth. So here the distance between these two is, so here in this we consider here d is equal to 1.5 into 10 power 11 meter. So here which one travels from sun to earth? Light travel. So the speed of the light given, that is c equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. C equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Then the time taken by a light. So here the sunlight takes some time to reach the earth. So how much time taken by a light ray to reach the earth? So that is T is our target. Generally V equal to D by T. So T equal to D by V. Okay. But in this we are consider speed of light c, that's why instead of v we are taking c. Okay, now t equal to d value 1.5 into 10 power 11, c value 3 into 10 power 8. Okay, so here this one cancel 0.5 times. So here 10 power 3 remains. So that means 1000. 0.5 into 1000. So our answer is 500. So time taken is 500 seconds. That's why first option is correct. Okay, thank you.